Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss exercise 6.3 from question number 9th, and ninth question is find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4096 if he gave it for 18 months at 12.5% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. So it is clear from the question that principal is rupees 4096, rate is 12.5% per annum. It means 25 by 2% per annum. Since this compound interest is being half yearly, so rate is halved and it is 25 by 4. Time is 18 month. It means 3.5 years. So here we are going to apply formula of amount, and amount is equal to principal multiply by 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power n. So from the given information we place the value of principal and rate, and after solving this question we have rupees 4913. It is the amount. Next question is the population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the population in 2001. What would be its population in 2005? So first part of question is find the population in 2001, and it is clear from the question that population in 2003 is 54,000. Increased rate is 5% per annum and time is 2 years. Let the population in 2001 be P. Now we are going to apply formula of amount here, and amount is equal to principal multiply by 1 upon rate upon 100 whole power n. In next step we are going to place values from the question. Amount is 54,000, rate is 5%, time is 2 years. After substituting all the values and solving these values, we have 48,980 approximate. It is the population in 2001. Now in second part we have to find out the population in 2005. So here principal is 54,000, rate is 5% per annum and time is 2 years. Now we are going to apply formula of amount here, and substituting all the values we have 59,535. It is the population in 2005. 11th question is in a laboratory the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. So it is clear from the question that initial count of bacteria means P is equal to 5,06,000, rate is 2.5% per hour, time is 2 hours. So now number of bacteria at the end of 2 hours is P multiply by 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power time. After substituting all the values from the question we have 5,31,616 bacteria approximate. Move to our next question. Question number 12 is a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. It is clear from the question that cost price of the scooter, it means principal, is rupees 42,000. Rate of depreciation is 8% per annum. Time is 1 year, and value of scooter after 1 year, that's we have to find out. So we are going to apply formula A is equal to P 1 minus R upon 100 whole power T. We are apply 1 minus R upon T here, since we have to find out the price after depreciation. After substituting all the values we have rupees 38,680 and it is the price of scooter after 1 year.